Good afternoon to all the students. Today we will complete 3 pages of GK 37, 38, 39. 37 pages avian predators. First है I function mostly during the night. I have a binocular vision that makes it easier for me to spot my prey. Even in the dark, I have a unique hearing ability as well. I am part of the bird family called strigiformes. Who am I? That is owl. Next, I generally feed on snails, rats, and rodents. I have an perfect eyesight and can spot my prey from as far as 2 miles away. I am an opportunist hunter and am very commonly found in India. I belong to the bird family that is Accipitridae. Who am I? That is kite. I also belong to the same family of the kite means Accipitridae family. I am the biggest flying predator in India. The females of my species are larger in size than the males. In some regions, I am considered as the symbol of freedom, power. Who am I? That is eagle. Next, I mostly live in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. My size varies from medium to large. I have a strong sense of smell. I can have the ability to eat lot of foods up to 1 kg of meat in a single meal. Who am I? That is vulture. I hunt small mammals and rodents. I am medium sized and slender means attractive in structure. I generally fly low over grasslands in search of my food. I create my nest in marshes and high bushes. I am found worldwide. I who am I? That is harrier. Next, I have a wingspan of 5 feet and I am a big sized bird. I am also called fish hawk. To catch fish, I dive into the water with my wings spread backward. I am the only bird of the Penadiones family. Who am I? Osprey. Eagles are at the top of the food chain. They hunt for other animals but are never hunted themselves. The insect kingdom. Next page is the insect kingdom. First is the study of insects is known as entomology. What is a newly hatched butterfly egg known as? That is caterpillar. Which of the following body part is not present in insects? That is lungs. Which of the following is the smallest insect in the world? That is fairy fly. The legs of the insect are joined to its thorax. Queen Alexandra birdwing is a species of butterfly. Where does the young damselfly live? That is water. This insect can fly forward as well as backward and can hover in the air. That is dragonfly. The Queen Alexandra birdwing is the world's largest butterfly with a wingspan of more than 25 centimeter. It is found in New Guinea. Now let's come to the last page of this unit, that is test paper 2. This is a mixed of all questions, mixed bag of all questions. A group of crow is called a murder. Next, a vulture can gorge up to 1 kg of meat in one meal. The Black Forest is known as Schwarzwald in German. Miracle berry is a small oval-shaped red-colored fruit and closely resembles a raw date. And Rafflesia arnoldii is the largest flower in the world. Desert cottontail is the desert rabbit. A flying fox is actually a bat. Answer the following questions. Where does the young damselfly live? In water. The underwater animal can easily mold itself into different shapes to hide from predators, that is octopus. I function during the night. I have a binocular vision that makes it easier for me to spot my prey even in the dark. That is owl. The bat species was found in 2009, and the special characteristic of this bat is that it is the only bat species that sleeps in pitcher plant, that is woolly bat. The exterior of the fruit resembles an apple, while its inside interior is more like a watermelon, that is water apple. This fruit is green in color. It is cone shaped, has scaly skin, creamy flesh, and sweet flavor, that is cherimoya. Next, this bird is known for its speaking skills and the ease with which it adopts the characteristics of humans, that is parrot. Right, true and false? Snake fruit has an appealing fragrance, an unusual taste, and a rough, thorny skin. That is true. A rat is a carnivorous animal. That is very false. Buddha's hand fruit tastes like lemon skin. Right. Bats are known as mountain chicken. Wrong. False. Black-tailed jackrabbit is actually a hare, not a rabbit. Right. A dog can understand human emotions up to 250 words and has an exceptional sense of smell and taste. True. The scientific name of the baseball plant is Euphorbia obesa. That is right. Okay. True.